for your drug dealer's favorite DJ. Hey, I'ma just get right into it tonight, cause I feel real strongly about this topic right here. Fuck the cops. I hope there's still room for me aboard the mothership. I hope that the Lord doesn't trip on that fateful night when he returns like a thief in the night, knocking on my door to ask for the soul of Teo. I hope there's a spot for me in heaven when I was tripping down here on earth, not ready to listen to the message of the true reverend. Cause I was caught up by the fakeness of too many motherfucking priests, thinking that we gon' find relief through this earthly peace. Cause see, the only thing that earthly peace could bring is wealth and riches and bitches and diamond rings. But in the end, it does not mean a thing when you hear that faithful chariot scream and that last trumpet blare like they spoke of in the days of Revelation. See, we ain't got no time for motherfucking wasting the demons that's hating. Cause if you believe what's written in that book, then you believe that there's a difference between God and Satan. And you believe that in the end of time, he will give his utmost demonstration of how he can descend from the skies and destroy this bitch in just one single breath. Everybody dead, no more humanity left. I hope there's one more spot for me left at least, when the Lord comes back to claim his eternal peace. When he comes back to claim this ball of water and a comet of fire. I hope I don't die cause I had them late night lustful desires, popping pills and smoking spliffs, all in a quest to get higher. But what if the sun were to return? Would I know to kneel and call him sire? Or would I be chasing after that big booty bitch that just wallowed in the mire? See, I wallow in the mire. I delve to the depths of the degradation of my soul in quest for debauchery. Don't blame it on me, blame it on my D-I-C-K and its length. Blame it on the alcohol, one more intoxicant bartender. But what about the Lord when he comes back to take account and remember all the deeds that I did, all the days that I lived? Did I do it for his utmost glory? Or did I just end up with a bullshit story? I pray that there's room for me. Sometimes it scares me, cause when I read them Bible verses, it seems like a curse, cause we don't rehearse this shit. We just live every day hoping to get some more motherfucking pay. But what happens when God decides to say, ain't no more time to play? Ain't no more time to play. What happened when God decided to say, ain't no more time to play? What happened when God decided to say, ain't no more time to play? I kneel on my knees in search of his eternal face. And up in that heaven, when we run this sweet race, I just pray that the Most High save me an irreverent place. When it swing low, sweet chariot, cause it's coming forth to carry us home. Have you prepared to leave this place? Yeah.